I can't do this.
You'll be okay. What if it hurts?
We have a surprise waiting.
He'll never guess.
Take slow breaths. I'm trying.
These dinosaurs have funny teeth. He'll love this. I hope so. It doesn't look scary.
Sometimes reality is kinder than imagination.
Lanlia, I'm proud of you already.
Oops! That scared me.
I think I'm ready. That's my brave boy. You're doing wonderfully. I'm still nervous, but I'm staying. That wasn't bad at all.
Everything looks perfect.
I can't wait to see Alex's face.
I feel proud.
You earned that feeling.
Ready?
Shh. Shh.
They're here.
We're strongest when we help each other. Our family is a team.
I'm glad I didn't give up.
We're always together.
Surprise!
We're so proud of you. For me, because you were incredibly brave.
You earned this. I'll always keep it.
You faced your fear.
I know I can be brave again.
We always believed in you.
Thank you for watching.
Remember to be kind.
Believe in yourself. See you in our next adventure.